What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Cash App to DoorDash in just a few quick easy steps. No fluff, just the essentials. Let's get right into it so you can start making things happen. The first thing we're going to do is open up our DoorDash application. Next, we're going to tap the bottom right corner where it says Me. Then you'll tap on Settings in the top. Next, you'll tap on Payment. Here you'll see Cash App Pay. Tap on that. It'll take you to your Cash App to allow your Cash App to connect to your DoorDash. Go ahead and tap on Confirm. Wait for everything to load, and if everything worked out right, you'll see Cash App Pay and your cash tag underneath. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope this helped you add your Cash App to DoorDash quickly and easily. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick videos like this. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or ideas for future videos. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.